This is the 52-inch 5-blade flush mount Ohniyou ceiling fan. From the top of the ceiling down, it measures about 10.5 inches. The assembly of this was at a breeze. It actually went very quick, very straightforward instructions. We are super impressed by the quietness of the fan. There is no motor noise. I don't know if you can hear anything. That is how loud the fan is. So it's very quiet, no wobbling. They did send along weights in case you needed to adjust it, but there's no wobbling. It has 6 speeds on the fan, so that's number 1, and that is number 6. It really moves some air at that speed. It comes with a remote, super simple to use. It has 3 different light levels as well as a night light. So here is the night light level. There is level 1. There's a different tone on the light, 2 and 3. So I love that. It's very simple to use on the remote, and you can also reverse. So there, just with the touch of the button on the remote, you're able to hit reverse. It has a mounting bracket for the remote, so you can put it right by the door. We're in the middle of a remodel, so we don't have it mounted yet. So we were really grateful when Ohniyou sent this to us. Perfect timing to give it a try. It looks fantastic. We've put it in the living room. Moves a ton of air, the low clearance that we needed, and the simplicity of setup. All of those make a great option for a ceiling fan. So if you're looking for a 52-inch flush mount ceiling fan, I would sure give this one a try.